Welcome back. So you know how we're always browsing the listings over on AIAgentStore.ai,
Oh yeah, always checking out the new tools on there.
right? Well, today we zeroed in on TinyAgents, which is a product that operates inside that closed source Tiny command platform.
Yep, it's a really interesting setup.
It is. And our mission today is to figure out how these tools actually cross the line from being, just reactive chat interfaces to proactive workers.
And that shift is basically the whole ballgame.
Right. Because to understand why TinyAgents is useful, you first have to understand how it fundamentally differs from a standard text generator.
Exactly. The listing actually notes a 78% autonomy rating for these agents.
Gate, 78%.
Yeah. Unlike purely conversational agents, tiny agents are given a defined role, a personality, and a very specific set of tools. They plan, read results, decide the next steps, and then just act inside the workflows.
Okay, let's unpack this. So a regular chatbot is like a brilliant encyclopedia on your desk, right?
Right, you have to actually flip the pages yourself.
Exactly. But a tiny agent is like an eager intern who actually takes that information and files the paperwork for you.
Yes. What's fascinating here is that these agents operate within embedded contexts. They aren't just sitting in an isolated chat window waiting for a prompt.
They're actually doing things in the background.
Right. So if they are acting as autonomous interns, what specific jobs are we giving them?
Well, the listing highlights things like qualifying inbound leads or researching companies with this feature called Tiny Scout.
Oh, yeah, the Scout feature.
Right, and it drafts personalized follow-up emails based on captured form data. It's ideal for sales managers, founders, or customer support.
It just handles the heavy lifting.
But here's where it gets really interesting, because handing over the keys to an automated worker feels, I don't know, a little risky.
Sure,
Like, what if it misqualifies a crucial lead?
that is a totally fair concern. But you can set up human guardrails for that exact reason.
Okay, like what kind of guardrails?
You can require human sign-off before any major actions are actually taken. You always have the final say. Ah, so it queues the work up and I just hit approve.
Exactly. And then you have the Agent Teams feature, which starts at $29 a month. This is where the architecture really changes.
How so?
The agent just keeps running. It checks your inboxes and retains its memory even after you completely close your laptop browser.
Wait, really? It just keeps working while I'm logged off?
Yep, completely on its own in the background.
Wow. So what does this all mean? I mean, for your actual daily routine?
Well, think about it. If an AI worker's memory survives, restarts, and it continuously handles routines while your laptop is closed, how does that fundamentally change how you structure your own definition of a workday?
That is a wild thing to think about. It really changes the entire concept of clocking out.
It absolutely does.
Well, you can check out the listing directly at AIAgentStore.ai to see for yourself.
Highly recommend taking a look at how it works.
Definitely. Thank you so much for rating the podcast. See you next time.